Hi guys, how can you create this beautiful yellow triangle glow effect in Photoshop? First, select the shape tool and choose the triangle shape. Set the fill to none and enable a white stroke, or any color you prefer. Set the stroke size to approximately 14.04 pixels. Next, select Move tool, press Ctrl+T, set the best position of it. Also rotate that. You can resize and rotate them to make the composition more interesting. Once you're happy with the placement, select the triangle layer and open Layer Styles. Enable Outer Glow and choose a desired color that you like. I prefer to select the yellow for this image. Note the other setting. The linear contour creates a cleaner glow effect, so I recommend using it instead of the other presets. Press OK. Now add a layer mask to the triangle layer. Select the brush tool with a soft round brush and a size of around 20 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is black. Paint on the mask to remove any parts of the glow that overlap important areas of the subject, such as the face or head. Next, convert the triangle layer into a smart object. Finally, set the layer's blend mode to screen for a brighter and more realistic glow. And that's it. This is before and this is after. That's how you can quickly create a beautiful triangle glow effect in Photoshop.